we're gonna take a little ride in the drag car. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you enjoyed that drag video of Drew's. If you haven't seen it, check it out. I'll put a card up there. Right now, I'm on the way. Today's the next day, but I'm on the way to Drew's, and today we're gonna work on my car. So I know in the last few videos you've seen my car taken apart, but now it's back together. It's rolling. See, we're rolling with not everything in the dash done. Everything's not completely not done, but I got tools in case something happened, because I gotta make right now I'm making a 40-minute drive out to Drew's house, and we're gonna weld on the anti-roll bar and the torque box reinforcements, and get the coilover relocation bracket welded in as well. So that's on the list of things to do today. So right now I'm riding on the train shocks that I bent. And I put the 150 shocks back in there and tighten them all the way up so they wouldn't compress a whole lot. I'm still bottoming out on these from these springs, but we'll talk at you whenever we get to Drew's and kind of lay out the parts and show you what we're going to do today. Get everything. All right, guys. So we made it back out here. We're going to get everything set up, and the car made its maiden voyage of the 40-minute trip out here to literally the middle of nowhere. But I tightened those shocks up, and I was just talking to Drew, and I should not have tightened them up, because I literally bounced my way here the whole way. But we'll catch up with you whenever we get started. All right, guys, we got it pulled in the garage. This isn't gonna be like a how-to video, but we'll show you what we're working with. We got the anti-roll bar, nice powder coated, and then we got the torque box relocation, or torque box reinforcements, and then we got the coilover relocation. So we'll be lucky if we get the anti-roll bar done and the reinforcements done. So we'll kind of show you along the way, maybe. Drew woke up. We got the rear end out. Got the exhaust off. And now we're getting ready to weld up the anti-roll bar. We don't need those where we're going. So, got the anti-roll bar in. Got it all welded up. Just have to get these lines out of the way. started the car up and I forgot we took the exhaust off. We took the exhaust off because the anti-roll bar, it won't fit with that. So, we'll sound like a little race car from old Greenville Pickett Speedway. TJ, I'm coming for you. Thanks for tuning in for this video. I appreciate you checking it out, and hope you like what we got done. I know it wasn't a bunch of like tutorial or nothing like that, but that's not what we're going for. Shout out to my man Drew over here, master welder, master mechanic. As you can tell, he's pretty dirty, but
yeah. Thanks, guys.
but thanks to him, he helped me out. I helped him out of the track. So, and if you make sure, if you like the video, make sure you hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, leave a comment. Let me know how bad you think it is. Also, hit Drew Jackson up on YouTube. I'll link his video in the description below, and hit him up for any work that you need. Just kidding. We'll see you in the next one.